Hello dear children, how are you all? I am sure you all are good. You all are doing well and happy and safe in your homes. Do take care of yourself, children. Do listen to your parents and follow all the safety precautions. This is our English class, children. This is our English class and we are doing lesson 4, My School. In this chapter, till now, we have done the reading part. The explanation part is also over. We have done the wow words. We have done the word meanings. Then I have started the exercises. In the exercises, we have completed comprehension, grammar. In grammar, we have done pronouns and we have done the word building part. अभी तक हमने इस लेसन में क्या क्या कर लिया? ये लेसन की हमने रीडिंग का पार्ट हमारा कंप्लीट हो चुका है. एक्सप्लेनेशन मैंने कर दिया. वाव वर्ड्स एंड वर्ड मीनिंग भी हमने डिस्कस कर लिया. फिर एक्सरसाइजेस में वी हैव कंप्लीटेड द कॉम्प्रिहेंशन पार्ट. कॉम्प्रिहेंशन में हमने क्या क्या किया? Yes and no. If the sentence is correct, then write yes. And if the sentence is not correct, then write no. Then in grammar, we did pronouns. जैसे मैंने बताया था, pronouns are the words which are used in place of naming words. There are some words like he, she, it, his, her, we and they. These words are used when a naming word is repeated again and again. अगर किसी भी पैराग्राफ में, किसी स्टोरी में अगर कोई नेमिंग वर्ड है, वो अगर बार बार रिपीट होता है, तो उसको बार बार रिपीट करने की जगह हम इनमें से जो भी वर्ड अप्रोप्रिएट है, whichever word is to be used there, we use these words. So these are the words which are used in place of repeating the naming words. Then we did word building also. In word building, we did words with similar meaning. Different words, different spelling, but with similar meanings. Words having similar meanings. Okay? I hope till now it is clear. यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आ गया. Today we will start with the sound of O. Listen and say aloud. That means you have to say the word aloud. मतलब word को जोर से बोलना है. ठीक है? Now अभी तक हमने sound of A कर लिया. Sound of A, E and I. We have done the sound of A, E and I. And today we will be doing sound of O. Okay? Fun with the sound of O. Now, the sound of O as in hop. जैसे हम hop बोलते हैं, hop. Sound of O क्या है? O. जैसे हम हिंदी में जो O बोलते हैं. This is the sound of O. But see the word hop. H-O-P. Hop. What is the pronunciation? It is hop. यहाँ पे जो O का साउंड है वो कैसा आ रहा है? हिंदी में जो हम आओ बोलते हैं. हिंदी में जो आओ का उच्चारण होता है, आओ का जो प्रोनाउंसिएशन है, आओ, हॉप. इट इज नॉट होप. होप इज डिफरेंट. होप इज अनदर वर्ड. H-O-P-E. दिस इज होप. जिसको हिंदी में जिसका मतलब है आशा या उम्मीद. Here it is H-O-P, hop. तो द साउंड ऑफ ओ इज हॉप, ओ, ठीक है. So the sound of O as in hop can also be spelled sometime as OU, as in thought, and AU as in saucer. O in this word hop, the sound is O, hop. ठीक है. अभी like the word thought, THOUGHT. Here it is OU. In hop it was only O. Here it is OU. When we pronounce this word thought, again the sound is O, thought. Again the sound is O. इसे बोलते हैं thought, O. And see the word SAUCER, saucer. इसे cup and saucer बोलते हैं ना, cup plate, cup and saucer. So saucer, the spelling is AU, but again the pronunciation is saucer. So again the pronunciation is O, saucer. Saucer नहीं बोलते हैं, saucer. So hop, thought, saucer, O, OU and AU. But the sound is similar in all the three words. ये जो three words है, तीनों में sound जो है तीनों की, that is similar. ठीक है. तीनों में sound आप देखोगे कि sound similar है. Hop, thought and saucer. So now here what you have to do is write a rhyming word for each of the following. Okay. So English is a very different kind of language. O के लिए भी the sound is O, hop. OU, again the sound is O, thought, and AU, again the sound is O, saucer. Okay. Now write a rhyming word. Write a RHYMING, rhyming word for each of the following words. Write a rhyming words for each of the following words. That means the words which are given, we have to write a rhyming word for each one of them. हर एक word के लिए हमें एक rhyming word लिखना है. As I told you, जैसे पहले भी मैंने बताया है, what are rhyming words? Rhyming words are the words which have similar sound. ठीक है. Two words are rhyming if they have the similar sound. Okay. This is sun, bun. Spelling is different, their meaning is different, but the sound is same. Okay. So these are known as rhyming words. Cat, rat, mat. These all have same sound. Spelling is different. C-A-T, cat, R-A-T, rat, M-A-T, mat, B-A-T, bat. The spelling is different, the meaning is different, but the sound is same. Cat, mat, rat, bat. So the words having similar sound are known as rhyming words. Now the words given are pot, then log, caught. There are more words. Now you have to write a rhyming word for this word pot. जो word है pot, इसके लिए एक rhyming word लिखना है. That means the word having a similar sound as pot. तो pot के लिए हम क्या rhyming word use कर सकते हैं? What can we write? We can write pot, caught. Pot मतलब कोई भी बर्तन. We can write hot. Hot means गरम. We can write caught. Cot means जो खाट होती है जिसमें बैठते हैं. that is caught. ठीक है, COT caught. So here we have to write only one rhyming word. Okay, we have to write only one rhyming word, but I am writing 2 or 3 जितने भी मुझे याद आ जा रहे हैं, so that you all remember it, जिससे कि आपको भी याद रहे. ठीक है, so for pot we can write hot, we can write caught. ठीक है ना, pot, hot, caught, all these words have similar sound. These are rhyming words. जैसे log, log के लिए log means जो thick wood होती है. ठीक है, wooden log मतलब लकड़ी का बड़ा सा thick सा piece, that is log. So log के लिए rhyming words can be fog. ठीक है ना, fog, fog जो विंटर्स पे सुबह सुबह रहता है, कहते हैं ना बहुत फॉग है, जिसको हिंदी में कोहरा बोलते हैं. धुआं सा पूरा मिस्टी सा पूरा रहता है, धुआं सा रहता है, विजिबिलिटी बहुत पुअर हो जाती है. सो फॉग मीन्स जो कोहरा होता है मॉर्निंग में. ठीक है, और वी कैन ऑल्सो राइट हॉग, HOG, हॉग. हॉग मतलब खाना, बहुत सारा खाना. हॉग करना मतलब बस खाते जाना, जितना भी खाना मिल जाए सब खा जाओ. दैट इज कॉल्ड हॉग. ओके, सो लॉग, फॉग, हॉग. देन कॉट. कॉट का टॉट, TAUGHT. कॉट मीन्स पकड़ना. कॉट इज द पास्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ड कैच. कैच मतलब सब, आई होप सब जानते होंगे आप लोग. कैच मीन्स पकड़ना, कैच द बॉल. ठीक है, कैच द बॉल. क्रिकेट खेल रहे हो आप, योर फ्रेंड शाउटेड, अरे उसने मारा, कैच द बॉल. एंड इफ यू कैच द बॉल then you say I have taken the ball, I caught the ball. So caught is the past form of the word catch. Catch मतलब पकड़ना. past form का मतलब होता है ना कि जो काम ऑलरेडी हो चुका है उसके लिए हम past form यूज करते हैं. So caught is the past form of the word catch. Similarly, taught is the past form of the word teach. Teach माने पढ़ाना, and taught मतलब taught is the past form of word teach. taught मतलब पढ़ाया था. जैसे आप जब क्लास 2 में जाओगे तो आप बोलोगे कि रंजना मैम taught us English in class 1. ठीक है, so taught is the past form of word teach. ठीक है, और caught, taught. ओके, चलो बस taught लिखती हूं मैं. देन नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज bond. बॉन्ड का मतलब होता है एक, जिसको कहते हैं ना बॉन्ड मतलब जुड़ाव. हिंदी में इसका बॉन्डिंग का एग्जैक्ट मीनिंग है जुड़ाव. किसी के साथ हमारी बहुत अच्छी बॉन्डिंग है, मतलब उसके साथ एक बहुत अच्छी फ्रेंडशिप है, बहुत अच्छा रिलेशन है, दैट इज बॉन्ड. जैसे राखी को बोलते हैं ना, इट इज बॉन्ड ऑफ लव. बॉन्ड का पास्ट राइमिंग वर्ड हो सकता है फॉन्ड. वी कैन राइट FOND, फॉन्ड. फॉन्ड मतलब किसी चीज को बहुत पसंद करना. आई एम वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ आइसक्रीम. मुझे आइसक्रीम बहुत पसंद है. फॉन्ड मीन्स किसी चीज को बहुत ज्यादा पसंद करना. आई एम वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ माई टीचर. आई एम वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ आइसक्रीम. सो आई एम वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ वॉचिंग क्रिकेट. फॉन्ड मतलब किसी चीज को बहुत पसंद करना. ठीक है, देन फॉट, FOUGHT, फॉट. फॉट मतलब, फॉट अगेन इज द पास्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ड फाइट. फाइट मतलब लड़ाई करना, एंड फॉट मीन्स, फॉट इज द पास्ट फॉर्म. द इंडियन सोल्जर्स फॉट वेरी ब्रेवली. ठीक है, इंडियन सोल्जर्स ने बहुत बहादुरी के साथ लड़ाई की. दे फॉट वेरी ब्रेवली. सो फॉट इज द पास्ट टेंस ऑफ फाइट. अभी नाउ फॉट का राइमिंग वर्ड वी कैन राइट बॉट, BOUGHT, bought. We can also write thought. See, in this word it is O in hot. Caught, O is there. LOG, log. FOG, fog. HOG, hog. Then AU, caught. TAU, taught. Then BO, here also it is FO. Here it is OU. Fought. BOU. Bought. THOUGHT. Thought. Thought is the past form of the word think. Think मतलब सोचना, and thought is the past form of the word think. I thought about it मतलब मैंने इसके बारे में सोचा था. So thought मतलब जब हम कुछ past form में बोलते हैं, then we use the word thought. Okay? Then mop. Mop. Mop means पोछा लगाना. जमीन को जो पोछा लगाते हैं उसको बोलते हैं mop. Mopping the floor. So mop, the rhyming word could be hop. Hop मतलब jump करना, कूदना. अब hopscotch and jump खेलते हो ना, so hop means कूदना. Mop, hop. The next word is cost. Cost. Cost means the price of something. What is the cost of this toy? What is the cost of this dress? ठीक है ना? Cost मतलब किसी भी चीज का क्या दाम है. Cost का the rhyming word could be lost. Lost मतलब गुम हो जाना. I lost my pencil today in the school. I lost my pencil box today in the school. तो lost मतलब गुम हो जाना. Toss. 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 टॉस तो जानते हो ना, जो कॉइन वगैरह ऐसे करके उछाल के टॉस करते हैं. क्रिकेट में पहले टॉस करते हैं कि विच टीम विल बैट फर्स्ट. जो भी कैप्टन टॉस जीतता है वो डिसाइड करता है कि वो बैटिंग लेगा कि फील्डिंग लेगा. सो टॉस माने किसी भी चीज को टॉस करना मतलब उछालना. ठीक है, टॉस करना मतलब मिक्स करना, उछालना. देन टॉस का राइमिंग वर्ड कुड बी लॉस. लॉस मीन्स नुकसान. ठीक है, लॉस मीन्स नुकसान हो जाना. इट वॉज अ बिग लॉस. लॉस मतलब नुकसान हो जाना. और अनदर वर्ड इज मॉस. MOSS. मॉस. मॉस मतलब जो बरसात वगैरह में रेनी सीजन में या जिस जगह पे बहुत पानी रेगुलरली गिरता रहता है, यू मस्ट हैव नोटिस, वो ग्रीन कलर की थोड़ी स्लिपरी सी ग्रास जैसी हो जाती है, जिसको हिंदी में कहते हैं काई. काई जम जाना. That is moss. Okay. So rhyming words are the words with which sound same. Spelling उनकी अलग होगी. Their meaning will be different, but rhyming words will have same sound. So here you can notice that whether it is O, it is AU or it is OU, the sound everywhere is O. It is O. Only O is there, but the sound is pot. Here it is AU, but the sound is caught. Here it is OU, fought, but the sound is O, fought. Okay? So, O, AU, OU, all have the sound of O. Okay? The sound of O as in bone can also be spelled as OW as in glow or snow. It is O here, but the sound is O. Sound जो है इसका वो O का है. Sound of O. Hot, pot, caught, log, fog, hog, caught, taught, bond, fond, fought, bought, thought, mop, hop, cost, lost, toss, loss, moss. All these words are sound of O. Okay? Now, let us see. Now next is the sound of O as in bone. Now see the word BONE. Bone. Here it is the sound of O. जैसे हम O बोलते हैं. Bone. Bone. Cone. Okay. The sound of O as in bone can also be spelled as OW as in glow or snow. GLOW. Glow. SNOW. Snow. Now see here. Here it is only O. The sound is O. Bone. It is OW. Glow. Here it is again OW. Snow. But the sound again is O. Glow. Sound of O. Glow. Snow. Sound of O. Snow. Okay. So write some more words using OW having a similar sound. That means bone, glow, bone ka similar sounding word can be cone, bone, cone. Cone can be rhyming word for bone. Now we have to write some more words using OW having a similar sound. This is write words using OW. ठीक है? Write words using OW having a similar sound as bone, glow, slow. But we have to write words using OW only. So we cannot write bone or cone. We have to write the words which have OW. ठीक है, जिनमें OW है. Now what words can we write? Glow and snow, so it's already given. Glow and snow is already given. We can write grow. Grow मतलब बढ़ना. Flow. FLOW, flow. Flow means बहना. Then we can write SOW, sow. Sow मतलब जैसे जब कोई भी प्लांट लगाने से पहले जो सीड्स डालते हैं, सोइंग द सीड्स. जैसे जो क्रॉप वगैरह जो लोग लगाते हैं, जो फार्मर्स होते हैं, सो प्लांट्स पहले निकलते हैं. ऐसे तो प्लांट ही निकल आते हैं ना, तो पहले पूरा उसका प्रोसेस होता है. तो सबसे पहले जो सीड्स डालते हैं, दैट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज सोइंग. सो SOW, sow. Sow the seeds. So SOW. Then we can write KNOW. No. No means क्या होता है? No means जानना. I know the answer. मुझे इसका आंसर मालूम है. I know the answer of this question. So one is NO, no. That is नहीं वाला no. This is KNOW. No. मतलब knowledge, जानना, मुझे मालूम है. Then we can write below. BELOW. In all these words, OW is there. OW, below. Okay. Then row, we can write ROW, row. Row means, this is a row of children, line. Row means line. Show. Show means दिखाना. Show me the notebook. Show me your notebook. ठीक है? Show means दिखाना. Row means line. Row of plants. Row of trees. Row of children. Row means एक line, कतार जिसको बोलते हैं. Then we can write throw. 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 A few more words. Throw. Then we can also write blow. BLOW, blow. Blow means फूकना. जैसे आप बर्थडे पे अपनी कैंडल्स फूकते हो ना, कैंडल्स ब्लो करते हो. जब बर्थडे पे कैंडल्स होती है केक पे, तो फर्स्ट यू ब्लो द कैंडल्स. फूक मार के कैंडल्स बुझाते हो, तो उसको कहते हैं ब्लो. ब्लो करना. ठीक है? सो इन ऑल दीज वर्ड्स, OW, GROW, grow. FLOW, flow. SOW, sow. KNOW, no. BELOW, below. Below means नीचे. ROW, row. SHOW, show. THROW, throw. Throw means फेंकना. Throw the ball. Then BLOW, blow. फूकना. So in all these words, there is OW, but the sound is O. Show, throw, blow, below, no, so, flow, grow, row, glow, snow. All these words have the sound of O. Okay? Okay also has the sound of O. Okay. Okay? Now turn the page. Page number 40. Now again, listen to the sound of OW as in down and the sound of OU as in loud. Don't they sound similar? Now see children, here it is OW but the sound is O. In the word DOWN, down. Here also it is OW. OW है यहाँ पर भी, but it is the sound of O, down. Frown, clown, ठीक है ना? So down है, clown, frown, OW. The sound is O, frown. Not exactly O भी नहीं ना, frown हम नहीं बोलते, frown, O. Sound of O. Sound of OW in down and OU as in loud. At one place it is DOWN, down, and here it is LOUD, loud. OU. But the sound is similar. Down, loud. Down, loud. O. In down also it is O. And loud also it is O. Loud. ठीक है? So now, remember, all words having the letters OW and OU need not have the same sound as the words above. अभी ये भी जरूरी नहीं है कि जितने वर्ड्स जिनमें OW आता है या OU आता है सबका साउंड सेम होगा. See the difference here. OW, down, BLOW, blow. You can make out the difference in the sound. In all these words have OW, but their sound is O. Glow, snow, flow, grow, show, throw. All these words have the sound of O. But here, again it is OW. जैसे यहाँ पे OW है, here also it is OW. But the sound is O. Sound is different. O and O. Down, frown, clown. Now here it is OU. But this sound and the sound of these words are same. Down, clown, frown, loud. ठीक है? So see the difference. अलग-अलग spelling है, but the sound may be same. Same alphabets, but sound may be different. Now see, all the words having OU or OW may not have the same sound. जितने भी words में OU या OW आता है, सबका sound same हो, ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. ठीक है? Now let us play an interesting game. अभी एक interesting सा game खेलते हैं. I hope अभी मैंने जितना जो समझाया है, this is clear to you. Try. This is the exercise is listen and say aloud. You are supposed to say these words aloud. इन words को आपको जोर जोर से बोलना है, so that the sound is clear to you. Where, कहाँ पे किस word में the sound is O and in which word the sound is O. Okay? You have to say these words aloud so that the sound is clear to you. Now let us play an interesting game. Read the following words aloud. Aloud का मतलब होता है जोर से. And circle only those words which have the OU or OW sound, as in the words like loud or down. Children, today I will not do this. नहीं तो बहुत सारा एक दिन में कर दूंगी. अगर बता दूंगी तो you might get confused. So today I will stick to these words only. Okay? So try to say these words aloud and try to think of some more words. कुछ और words आप जितने words मैंने जो बताए इनके अलावा, apart from these words, try to think of some more words which have the sound of O, like glow, snow, show. Okay, OW with O sound, and try to think of some more words with OW and OU as OW sound. Frown, clown, loud. Okay, so this is your homework. So today children, I will stop here only. I hope whatever I have explained, it is clear to you. Thank you children.